Windows play a crucial role in the overall design and functionality of a home. In Tysons, where urban living meets suburban charm, the right windows can significantly enhance natural light and improve indoor comfort. From energy efficiency to aesthetic appeal, choosing the best windows for your home can make all the difference. The importance of natural light in Tysons home. Natural light is a key factor in creating a bright, inviting, and comfortable home. Homes in Tysons, VA, benefit greatly from well-placed windows that maximize daylight while reducing the need for artificial lighting. Here are some of the major benefits of increasing natural light in your home. Enhancing aesthetic appeal. Natural light makes interior spaces feel larger and more open. It highlights architectural details, enhances decor, and brings out the natural beauty of furniture and flooring. With well-designed window placements, homeowners in Tysons can enjoy visually appealing interiors that feel fresh and welcoming. Boosting mood and productivity. Studies have shown that exposure to natural light improves mood, reduces stress, and increases productivity. Whether you're working from home, relaxing with family, or entertaining guests, a well-lit space contributes to overall well-being and happiness. Reducing energy costs. By maximizing daylight, homeowners can lower their reliance on artificial lighting, leading to energy savings. Large, strategically placed windows can illuminate a home throughout the day, cutting down on electricity bills while promoting an eco-friendly lifestyle. How windows improve indoor comfort in Tysons homes. Beyond providing light, windows play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. From temperature regulation to noise reduction, the right windows can make a home more pleasant year-round. Temperature control and energy efficiency. Tysons experiences all 4 seasons, meaning homes need windows that provide insulation during winter and cooling during summer. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring comfort regardless of the weather. Double or triple pane glass. These windows reduce heat loss in the winter and prevent heat gain in the summer. Low E coatings reflect heat away from the home in the summer while retaining warmth in the winter. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl and fiberglass enhance insulation and reduce drafts. Reducing noise pollution. Living in Tysons means enjoying the benefits of an urban environment, but it can also come with unwanted noise from traffic and construction. High-quality windows with soundproofing properties can significantly reduce noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Enhancing airflow and ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential for indoor air quality. Operable windows, such as casement or double-hung styles, allow fresh air to circulate while helping to reduce indoor pollutants, allergens, and humidity. Best window styles for maximizing light and comfort. Choosing the right window style can make a big difference in how much light and comfort your home enjoys. Here are some of the best window options for Tysons homeowners. Picture windows. It's ideal for letting in maximum sunlight. Picture windows are large and fixed, providing unobstructed views and ample natural light. They work best in living rooms and open areas where additional ventilation isn't necessary. Double-hung windows. These windows offer versatility with two operable sashes that provide excellent ventilation. They are great for balancing natural light and air circulation. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward and allow for maximum airflow while still offering energy efficiency. Their tight seal when closed helps with insulation and noise reduction. Bay and bow windows. For homeowners looking to add both elegance and functionality, bay and bow windows extend outward, capturing more sunlight and creating additional interior space. These windows are excellent for enhancing both curb appeal and natural light intake. Skylights and transom windows. For homes that need additional natural light without compromising privacy, skylights and transom windows are perfect solutions. These allow light to enter from above, brightening up darker areas like hallways and bathrooms. Conclusion. Windows are more than just openings in the wall. They are essential elements that impact natural light, energy efficiency, and indoor comfort. In Tysons homes, choosing the right windows can make a home feel brighter, more inviting, and more energy efficient. By selecting high-quality windows designed for optimal insulation, soundproofing, and ventilation, homeowners can create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing living space that enhances both their quality of life and property value.